What's up? It's your girl Breathe the Beautician back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing 2 braids on Kendra. As you guys know, I love parting with my rat tail comb, so I'm going to part her hair, and she's getting it off to the side a little bit, so that's why the part is off center. So for 2 braids, I typically press the hair out. I feel like that makes it last a little bit longer. Depending on the person's hair texture, you could get away with not straightening it. However, she requested me to straighten it, and also she's growing out a cut. So I wanted to just make sure that I was able to grip everything. And the key to a very clean and neat part is to always put a little bit of product on the part. So because I'm straightening her hair, I'm using my pressing oil, and then I use a little bit of beeswax. You can use heat with beeswax. You cannot use heat with edge control or gel. And as I always tell you guys, please remember to test your hot comb before putting the comb into your client's hair. I'm going to actually do a video on hot comb tips because we do not want to burn the hair out, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, her hair is a little bit more fine, so my sections can actually be about a ½ inch thick. For those who hair is a little bit more coarse or thick, you would definitely probably have to do half of the section that I'm doing, because you just want to make sure you're getting it as straight as possible so the braid can be super flat. Also, another tip that will be in my pressing video, I'm using 2 different combs. If you guys haven't noticed, this is my regular size comb. The teeth are very close together. That one is a smooth back. And then this next comb that I'm going to use is my smaller comb. Now that one is really good for getting the short hair around the edges, around the perimeter of the hair. But when I'm going through the hair, I alternate the combs just to get through quicker. So I'm using Old Faithful Murray's Beeswax. This is a classic. This is old school. All my real Detroiters know about this. All my subscribers know that I love to do the edges last. So that's my first step. I'm combing the edges, the baby hairs. I'm combing that out, and then I'm using beeswax to push the rest of the hair into the braid. FYI, beeswax is extremely hard to get out of the hair. So as you see, I'm slightly dousing it down the middle of her hair. I'm not going to use a lot of it. Like if you had a slick stick, you could use that too. But I'm not using a lot of the beeswax. Do not use a lot of the beeswax because it is so hard to rinse that stuff out of your hair. And I'm going behind it with the edge booster to mix it, to kind of create like a pomade. And then, of course, you have to go through the sections. Now, I don't completely saturate the middle just because I kind of want the hair to still stay straight. I wanted to give it that straight look. So I put just enough to mold it down. As stated in previous videos, I have carpal tunnel. That is why I use a comb, because it's less tension on my hand to try to pull the hair. So the comb actually helps me pull the hair a little bit tighter than I would with my hand, because I get really bad hand cramps. And then also, I think the comb makes it look neater, like it defines the parts. But that's just my opinion. So again, I feed in the hair with my right hand. So I comb the hair in, braid, get a piece of hair, comb that section, braid, and then I repeat the steps. So the same thing applies to this side. I'm going to go through and press this side, and then I'm going to repeat the same steps that I completed on the first side. Okay, guys, so I had an airhead moment. So I did all this. I started the braid and I did not hit record. So the first half of that braid is not recorded, but you guys get it. The best part for last, the swoops. So right now, the finger wave swirl swoops are in style. So that's what we doing. So this is how it turned out. Ooh, you cute girl. Thanks for watching. Please remember to follow me on Instagram. And as always, please comment, like, and subscribe.